on. So now we're gonna work on adding the end to our paintbrush. So what we're gonna have here is we are going to first put the shiny part on. So you're gonna find one of the shiny strips in your bin and you're gonna figure out what direction you want it to go. What do you think looks best? Thinking maybe that way kind of looks best, but it's okay if it's a little bigger, and you can always trim it if you need to with scissors. So I'm gonna go in and let's see, first make sure you only have one strip because they do like to stick together. And then I'm going to get a glue stick. I'm gonna add a little glue to it. And I'm gonna take that strip and I'm now gonna glue that on the direction I want it to go and rub. So that's the shiny part. Now we have to do the bristles of our brush that will go at the end. So you're going to see if you like how it looks. I might trim mine on the edge just a little bit to make it thinner so it lines up with that metal piece. Okay, that looks a little better. I'm gonna go in before I glue this, and at the bottom of one of the ends, I'm gonna add a little bit of color to make it look like paint is on my brush. I'm gonna use one of these black construction paper crayons. I'm just gonna color the bottom. And you can use the back of your project for this step so you don't get Sharpie on the table. But we're also gonna go in and we're gonna do different length lines at the end. And then we're gonna take some scissors and we're just gonna cut a little bit, just some little snips. See how I'm only using the tip of the scissors at the bottom. And we're gonna kind of frill them up and move them around so they look a little bent, like this paintbrush has really been used really well. Okay, then we're gonna take my glue stick, add some glue on the back. And then we're gonna take this and we're gonna just overlap a little bit. That means going on top of another shape onto this piece and rub. Okay, nice and rubbed on there so it's nice and flat. And now we have our paintbrush completed. If you would like to go around with a Sharpie like I did on mine, you went around the whole, you know, metal piece too. I took that marker and traced around it. You can, but that is up to you.